Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. If you're looking to turn your small backyard into a cozy retreat, then you're in the right place. Whether you're working with a tiny space or just want to create a small getaway right at home, today I'm sharing some simple yet transformative design ideas to help you make the most of your small outdoor area. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you find the content useful. Now let's get started. The heart of any cozy retreat is a comfortable place to relax. A cozy seating area is key. Choose soft outdoor cushions, a few blankets, and even a hammock or a swing chair if you have the space. You can make it as simple or as luxurious as you like. Just make sure it's somewhere that you will want to spend time. Also, consider adding a small side table for your morning coffee or evening tea, and maybe even some outdoor string lights for that magical glow at night. Now, let's talk about one of the most important elements in creating your cozy retreat: adding greenery and plants. Plants have the unique ability to instantly transform any space, making it feel more vibrant and alive. Even in a small backyard, you can bring in a sense of lushness and tranquility. Whether you're a gardening expert or a beginner, there are so many options to consider. Start with a few key plants to make your space feel inviting and calm. You can't go wrong with adding a mix of flowers, shrubs, and foliage to bring in color and texture. If you love a fragrance, consider plants like lavender, jasmine, or gardenias. These will fill your backyard with a soothing scent, especially in the evening when you're unwinding. For a relaxing, almost spa-like feel, add some ferns or bamboo to create a peaceful green oasis. In a small space, maximizing vertical space is key, so consider installing a vertical garden or using wall-mounted planters to grow herbs, flowers, or trailing plants. These save room while adding a lush layered effect to your garden. Plus, they're perfect for growing herbs like basil, thyme, and mint that can be easily accessed for cooking or tea. Also, think about using hanging baskets. They're a great way to add dimension and beauty without taking up floor space. Choose cascading plants like petunias, ivies, or begonias for a soft, flowing look. Now don't forget about trees. Yes, even small trees. You can go for a dwarf variety like a Japanese maple or a citrus tree in a large pot. Not only do they provide height and structure, but they also give you privacy and a little shade, making your backyard feel like a secluded retreat. One of the easiest ways to personalize your space is through potted plants. Choose a variety of pots in different colors, sizes, and textures to add depth and interest. Mix in rustic terracotta pots with modern concrete ones, or adding a touch of personality with brightly painted containers can make your plants stand out even more. Finally, Remember that it's not just about the plants you choose, but how you arrange them. Layer plants with different heights and textures to create depth. Grouping plants together in clusters or placing taller plants at the back or shorter ones in the front will give your retreat a more natural, organic feel. Don't forget about the different textures of plants. By incorporating a variety of soft grasses, spiky succulents, and delicate flowers creates visual interest and enhances the overall feel of your cozy retreat. Lighting is essential for setting a mood in your cozy retreat. Soft lighting can make all the difference, so use fairy lights, lanterns, or even a fire pit to create warmth and ambience as the sun goes down. Lighting is not only functional, but it also creates a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. The key to a truly cozy retreat is creating a sensory experience that soothes your mind and body. And nothing does that better than the calming sound of water. Even in a small space, a water feature can make a huge difference. You don't need a large pond or a big waterfall. A simple tabletop fountain or a small wall-mounted water feature can add that tranquil sound of flowing water that's perfect for relaxation. The gentle trickle creates an atmosphere of calm, which can be so beneficial if you want to unwind after a long day. Another great option is a bird bath. Not only do they provide a relaxing sound of water, but they also attract birds to your space. Watching birds take a bath or drinking water is a peaceful and delightful experience. If space for a water feature is limited, consider adding a wind chime. The gentle clinking of wind chimes can add a serene soundtrack to your backyard. Whether you choose a traditional metal chime or a bamboo one, the sound is a perfect companion to your retreat's atmosphere. Even a small stream-like effect or a pebbled-lined path with water trickling through can bring that soothing element to your retreat. It doesn't need to be elaborate, just something that helps create a serene vibe. Now let's talk about making your cozy retreat truly yours. Personalizing your space with items that reflect your tastes and experiences will make it feel like an extension of your home. Start by adding accessories that make you feel comfortable. A cozy throw blanket over a chair, soft cushions, or even your favorite books can turn a simple seat into a personal nook where you can relax. Adding little comforts will encourage you to spend more time in your backyard enjoying the space. Personal touches could also include something meaningful to you, maybe a small tribute to a loved one or pet, or a garden stone with a quote that inspires you. These simple additions make the space feel special and personal. Outdoor art pieces can also add character to your space. Whether it's a hand-painted sign, a beautiful sculpture, or a piece of art you created yourself, it's all about infusing your personality into the design. You can even get creative with repurposed items like old garden tools or vintage furniture to make unique art for your backyard. Don't forget sentimental items. Maybe you've got a small garden sculpture that reminds you of a special place, or a lantern that was gifted to you by a loved one. These things add layers of meaning and help tell the story of your backyard. Personalization isn't just about what you add, but also how you arrange things. Think about the way you organize your space, creating different zones in your garden for various activities, like a reading corner or a spot for outdoor dining. Grouping plants and furniture in ways that suits your lifestyle makes the space feel intentional and welcoming. Personalizing your outdoor space with items that mean something to you and adding a few special touches will not only make your backyard cozy, but it will also make it uniquely yours. So, there you have it. Whether it's creating a cozy seating area, adding greenery, or setting the mood with lighting, you can transform your small backyard into a retreat that feels like an extension of your home. I hope these tips inspired you to create a space you can truly unwind in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Happy gardening!